Hello, how are you? Getting down to the end of this thing, and I can't wait to see the end of it, see what you all come up with. Just a real short video this time. First of all, let's just kind of check and see how you did with your activity goals. My activity goal, I have two. Number one is to increase the amount of sleep that I get on a daily basis, because in all this weird time of this, sometimes it's easy because you know you don't have to get up the next day to get your nights and days mixed up, or to stay up later than what's really healthy. And then something happens, like if you're me, you're getting older, you've got an internal alarm clock, and you just like your eyes pop open at 6 o'clock in the morning, but you didn't go to sleep till 3 in the morning. So my first goal is to increase the amount of sleep that I get each night to at least 6.5 hours each night. That's pretty doable. I didn't want to say 8 hours each night because I don't think I've gotten 8 hours on a regular basis in like my whole life. So that was my first one. The second one was to walk at least 3 miles 4 days in a week. That's what I said as a goal the last time. I did a short walk today to help that out, but it was really windy and cold and breezy. And so that's all we could get done was a little bit. And I didn't get to walk the normal pace for me because I had my daughter who's had back pain and hip pain and everything, and my grandson, so I was pulling him along in the wagon. And so it was a much slower walk than I normally do. But that was it, to increase to 3 miles 4 times a week and to increase the amount of sleep that I'm getting. So that's my 2 goals that I'm going to work on and talk about again the next time that we have a video. So hopefully you've got your goals and you're starting to work on them, and just look at them and kind of track what you're doing. Nothing life-changing, nothing like I'm going to do this for the rest of my days, just simple baby steps to get started right now. Now, what I'm going to do is describe to you what I'm going to need for you to do for this next assignment. First of all, it's going to be done via Facebook or via email, either one. So make sure you check your emails, because you'll get all these videos through there. All the videos are going to start being posted on the Facebook page as well. So your parents will get a copy, Facebook will get a copy, and your email will get a copy of it all. So you're going to be well covered on what you need to do. And so, so when you get the email or you get the Facebook thing, you reply. Once you reply, it goes to everybody in the group. But especially with the email, I want you to, first of all, hit reply all, because when I send the email, I send it out to both classes. There's about 20 some odd names, 22 names, 23 names on there that are getting the email. And so reply all, and then identify who you are. And then this is what I want you to do. I want you to talk about the parts of the project, like the activity. Remember, what we're doing here is we're coming up with healthy mind and body action plans. And all I want you to do is I want you to say who you are. That way we know each person's participating in the different groups and everything. And then I want you to come up with 2 to 3 items you think are important parts of a healthy mind and body action plan. It's like, say, I'm Scott, and I think you need to have something about exercise, sleep, water. That would be 3 things. 3 things. Remember I told you my app on my Samsung has like walking, your steps. It has pulse, it has stress, it has water intake, caffeine intake, food intake, all that. So what you believe to be the most important thing, 3 of them, to be a part of a healthy mind and body action plan, so that we can put those together more cemented by email and through Facebook and on video the next time. So that's all I got. Keep track of your activity. Hopefully you're seeing some increase or decrease, whatever your goal was, simple goals for that, for your activity. And then go on email and hit reply all, or once you hit like reply or make a comment to the group on Facebook, then everybody should know who you are, because it'll say Dylan, Fred, George, whatever. And so, and then I want you to put on there the things that you think are most important to be included in a healthy, remember, we're coming up with these healthy mind and body action plans. What do you think is necessary? That's the assignment. We'll see you next time.